Hi folks, it's me, Russ Ayub again at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch. Today, I have a 2026 17EV. EV stands for electric vehicle. So this is all electric. There's no propane in this whatsoever. So what you're gonna have in the front here is you're gonna have a battery put on here. There's no solar panel on it, plain Jane. You got, nice thing about it is you got big luggage compartments with the magnet door. It's at a good price point. You'll see it online. You still have the hide window with the friction door. There's your window. And then you got the automatic awning. You push your awning out, it goes out automatically. You got LED lights along the whole length of the awning, and you got grab bars on those awnings. So when your awning is out, you can go to either side of the awning, grab onto the bar, and it'll tilt your awning for you. You got a one-piece rubber roof, warranted for 12 years, or actually, this is warranted for life as long as you own it. It's a 2016. You have rain gutters on it, designates your black streaks from one side to the other. They also is giving you electric jacks that are in the back. There's no need to have them in the front because it's a single axle. Weighs in at about 3,000 pounds. You got a cable hookup in the back. You got a TV spot here. And then you got an outlet right here. So you can put your sewer hose in here. This also is automotive paint, so it's not gonna fade and chip on you. Now we're gonna go inside. All right. We're inside, guys. Again, plain Jane, nice camper for the price range that it's at. You got a convection microwave / air fryer. This right here is a little electric refrigerator with a little freezer inside. You can make your little Ben & Jerry ice creams in it. Your heat, again, remember you have no propane. So your heat is gonna be from your fireplace. That's gonna give you about 3 different colors of Aviance, and it's gonna give you some heat. Air conditioner, you need to be plugged in. You'll need a 30 amp service. And when you walk into the camper and it's hot in here, turn your air conditioner on, open up this vent, cold air is gonna gush out on you. There's different temperature gauges that you can use. You can use it as a fan. You could put storage pods underneath your bed here, because this bed doesn't lift up. And then you also got little storage bins here on the side, the storage bin above you. This will drop down, make into a bed also. This will drop down, you've got your resting spots here. This table will drop down onto its resting spots, and you just move your cushions over. Got night shades on these, and night shades over there. They've also redesigned their window. They used to put a cutting board in front of the sink. They've changed it. They put a window there. Nice, good barn sink there. And then you still have some storage bins over here. So there's a lot of storage in this little camper. This right here is your built-in power converter, and that's going to trickle charge your battery. So when you're traveling down the road, it's trickle charging the battery. So whatever you have in that refrigerator, it's being cold. If you plug into 110, you're good. If you're hooked to no power, you can always leave your vehicle running for a little bit and trickle charge the battery back up, because you have a built-in brake controller that will give you a hot lead. Over here is your bathroom. Again, pretty good size bathroom for a little 17-footer. Actual length on this is probably about 22 feet, but it's got the rounded corner for the shower. You got your shower nozzle. Other nice thing about it too is you have a push puddle flush toilet, so you're not going over here and bending over and flushing your toilet. Lots of storage, guys. Look at this. Use this as a closet. So let's come down. My name is Russ, Lee's Auto Ranch. Come and see me.